Devraj. I am coming from Andhra. A few months ago, I joined to SDLC. Now I am completed my full stack Python developer course. Starting when I come in there, management so good, and trainer also be every time he help. In Corona time also, Santosh also help for me, and classroom class also conducted, and online also available. But I am taking only classroom. Here SDLC trainer also given real time working professional trainers. Institute so good. I think anybody want to join here, inquiry and come join. All the best. One of the best institute in Martali in Bangalore also, SDLC.